Hello everyone, welcome to GreyPot. I'm back with another Beat the Heat series. So today we're gonna make a very special Candyfloss fruit juice. You can have this fruit juice in two different ways. I'll tell you at the end. You need 2 fruits to make this juice. Into a blender, add in some chopped watermelon, some chopped pineapple. Now add in some sugar, some lime juice and some cardamom powder. Now blend them all together and pour it into a tall glass. You can also strain the juice if required. Now drop in a straw and top it up with some pineapple and watermelon flavored candy floss. When the candy floss touches the juice, it'll get completely melted into it. Then the candy floss flavored juice tastes really delicious. Or you can just sip the juice and bite the candy floss. Even that tastes really great. So there you go, our candy floss fruit juice is ready. So definitely try out this recipe and give this video a big thumbs up. Leave your valuable comments and suggestions in the comment section below. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Google+, and Pinterest. Click the logo to subscribe to GreyPot and don't forget to hit the bell icon for the notifications of new videos. Watch more interesting and unique recipe videos from our channel GreyPot. Do check it out. Thank you.